Nykaa. It's Nykaa. So I'll show you the products. I'm having so many products of this. Yes. Hi guys, it's Khushi here. So here I am back within my new video, and this is an unboxing video. Yes. So this has been told by one of my friends to just show my products which I just brought from Nykaa. Don't worry, I'm not going to do this type of video in further days, but this is my first and last video. And let me tell you, this is the first time I have bought any sort of makeup product for myself since my childhood. So I just want to show you. And yeah, generally I don't used to say it to subscribe, like and share my YouTube channel or videos because share करने का time तो किसी के पास है नहीं. I know that, but when you are here, यहाँ तक आ ही गए हो तो it's just one touch away ना guys. Subscribe and like कर सकते हो. What do you think? है ना? कर दो. Okay, so here I'm having my Nykaa box. So you can say it like that. In this box I'm having different type of products guys from different brand, because this was my first time. So I just thought to mix the brands. So first of all I like to show you this makeup fix. So you know this is from Swiss Beauty and this works so well. I mean, if you wanna have something which is cheap and best, then you can have it. And this, there is aloe vera and vitamin E and all that. It will keep your makeup fixed even if you are sweating. Then another thing, I'm having this Fit Me foundation and my shade is 128 warm nude shade. You can find your skin complexions from that Nykaa store only, they will help you. Then I have this concealer. It is also from Maybelline and my shade is 25 medium. This is just for my satisfaction. I mean, I wanted to buy it. Then I'm having primer of Blue Heaven, you know, and I have been suggested this by one of my friends. So I just thought, and it's really good. If you don't want to buy any primer, you can use aloe vera gel also. The lipstick which I'm wearing right now is of nude shade and my favorite, it's rustic brown color 101, but this is of fashion color and you will not get it on Nykaa I suppose because I bought it from Kota. Yeah, so another thing which I'm having is compact powder Fit Me again from Maybelline and my shade is 109, that means 109. You can find your shades. If you're having skin tone similar to me, you can use the same one. Then I'm having fake eyelashes from Nykaa itself. Okay, this is eyelashes which will increase your length. You can, you know, it is OTT drama volume plus length plus intense lashes. I bought one dramatic thing also which is known as eyelashes curler. If you don't want to use fake eyelashes, you can just take it out and, you know, curl your eyelashes if you want. Then I have this blender. This blender is used to, I hope you all know, blender is used to mix up the foundation or the concealer which you apply on your face. And you know, इस blender को पानी में डुबाने के बाद उसको निचोड़ के लगाने से ज़्यादा इफेक्ट आता है. You have to soak it in the water and then use it. Then I'm having this beautiful eyeshadow palette which is having all the shades, you know, glittery shades you can say, because I love shimmer dresses, shimmery thing. I just love it. So yeah. But if you want to do contouring and blushing part also from this eyeshadow palette, then I don't think that you should buy all the glitter shades, because then your all the face will be like glittery. Then I'm having lipstick from this Sugar. I mean, this is so good. I'll show you the, I mean, I'll not show you the colors particularly, but I'm having these 4 shaded. I can just name it. Suppose this is Drop Red color. They're having this collection, you can check it out. Then I have Wine and Shine, then Plum Yum, and the 4th one is Hot Shot. Fine, these are the 4 lipstick which I'm having, and these are smudge proof, obviously waterproof, and this stay I have to had a fight with it to remove it, otherwise बहुत देर तक stay करता है guys, trust me. Then I'm having eyeliner from Faces Canada, black eyeliner guys. Yeah, I wish I should have green and white eyeliner also, and also golden, but in future I'll have it. See, I'm not obsessed with makeup. Let me make it very clear to you. I'm not obsessed. That's why till now I was not having anything. But I wish that I should know the basic of makeup at least. And nowadays, every girl should know everything, no? So this was only a field which I was not knowing anything. So I just want to learn how to do makeup. This is, guys, eyebrow pencil of Swiss Beauty. See, black color only, not brown. But this is very dark, you know, this gives you a very dark shade, so generally I don't use it. I bought it, but I don't use it. Fine, these were my products which I was having, just the basic one. I know there comes a lot of it, and of a lot of costly brand like Huda Beauty and MAC. I'm having mascara of Maybelline, but it's not here, that's why I have not shown you. Then I'm having a highlighter also, but it's all in Patna. And I'm also having a set of brushes which I used to buy just for my satisfaction. So yeah, so these were my products from Nykaa. Yay! Okay guys, so tell me one more thing, I am just done with it, that I'll make videos in which I will use my voice, because many people commented that I'm having a very soothing voice or something like that, so I should do something in which my voice is included, right? And according to this YouTube algorithm 2020, we have to stick to only one video, which I was informed by one of my friends today only. You know, we can't go in all the direction, making dance videos, also singing videos, also movie reviews and all. No, we have to stick to in one direction only. So I have thought that I'll narrate some stories or any poem or anything which will include my voice, whether it will be in the video form or in the slide form. I hope you all will like it. Please subscribe and like this channel, and if you have time, share it to your friends. Thank you. Bye bye. Love.